2022 question number 10. Try to read the question better. Explain how an increase in confidence level affects the precision of the estimates. Okay, now try to understand this thing. So the confidence interval can be written as x bar minus z into alpha by 2, that means the value of z, into sigma by root n, comma, x bar plus z into sigma by root n. This is how you can go ahead and you can tell about the confidence interval. This is how we talk about confidence interval, right, beta? Now, try to understand that as the value of your z increases, confidence level increases. So let's take one confidence level as 90% confidence level and then 99% confidence level. So here the value of z is 1.645 and here it is 2.5. So as the confidence level increases, the value of z increases. As the value of z increases, this confidence interval will become more wide. As the confidence interval will go ahead and become wider, the precision will fall. So it is inversely related to the precision, right? So as confidence interval increases, the value of z increases, which makes the interval wider. The wider the interval, the less precise it is going to be. So its precision will go ahead and fall. Okay, beta? Okay.